we're at the PDAC and we're at the booth of the Yukon government, and the gentleman standing beside me is the CEO of Victoria Gold, John McConnell. Hi John, how are you doing today?
Very good. How are you, Gilbert?
Pretty good too. So maybe you can give us a quick overview of what Victoria Gold does.
So Victoria is a venture-listed company. We're currently building a large gold mine in Canada's Yukon territory. It'll be the largest mine in Yukon history.
So can you take us back a bit, a few years back, of how the EAGLE mine, gold mine development goes for the last few years up to this point?
Sure. So we acquired the property in June of 2009, spent the next 8 years doing exploration, baseline studies, economic studies, and then we did the financing. We announced that about a year ago and started construction. We'll be pouring the first gold in September of this year.
So it looks like quite exciting times for Victoria Gold. So what do you think of the production of EAGLE Gold Mine will affect the shareholder value of Victoria Gold in moving forward?
Well, I think the key is, we'll be producing gold at an all-in sustaining cost of less than $750 per ounce. We use $12.50 in all our economic studies. So that's a $500 per ounce margin times 200,000 ounces of gold per year. Means this little company will be cash flowing $100 million per year, US, in full production.
So maybe you can give us some comments about during exploration or mining, specifically in Yukon, the region. What's the good advantages of mining over there in Yukon?
Yeah, I think, the Yukon is a great jurisdiction. It took us 10 years to get it through the process, but it is a good process that works. We're now in construction. Over 50% of our employees are Yukoners, so it's a great source of people as well. And, we're right in the center of the territory of the Nacho-Nag-Dun. They've been great partners and also great employees, and many of the citizens have been able to take advantage of business opportunities.
So right now you're in a few months to go before you're doing the production. Are you all well financed, or do you need to raise a bit more money before the construction finish? And what other investment banks are you working with?
No, we're fully financed through to production. We announced, just over 500 million of Canadian in financing a year ago. That was with a syndicate that included Orion Mine Finance, Osisko Royalties, and Caterpillar Financial.
So in conclusion, what's the takeaway? What do you think and why investors should consider investing into Victoria Gold now in the next 12 months?
Well, I think the key reason to invest now is, we will certainly get re-rated as we move from developer to producer. I think there's lots of good examples of that. If you look at, companies like Pretium, Atlantic Gold, Torex, if you look at their share price when they started construction and their share price when they achieved commercial production, they all generally went up 100%.
Thank you for your time today, John.
Great, thanks Gilbert. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please scan the QR code to log on NAI500 website and follow us on social media to get regular updates on the Chinese language North American market news, CEO interviews, trends, and investment opportunities. Click subscribe to our channel to watch more interviews and presentations.